I'm going to show you how to turn any flat crochet hat into a soft and puffy 3D hat in just one easy round. By the end of this video, you'll have a cute keychain or bag charm. Let's get started. If you already know how to crochet a flat hat, this is the perfect upgrade. And if not, I have linked an easy beginner hat tutorial in the description below. So you need two identical flat hats, one with all the tails sewn in, and the second still attached to the yarn ball. Place the two hats with the wrong sides facing each other and the right sides out. Align the stitches side by side. To join the two hats, carefully insert your hook through the front loop only of the hat right in front of you. Then through the back loop only of the second hat. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the two loops on the hook, and this is a single crochet. Go to the next stitches and do the same. I'll show you step by step over the next stitches. This is how the round of single crochets will look like. Continue and I'll meet you just before the bottom stitch. This is the bottom stitch. I'm going to place one double crochet. Continue with the single crochets in all the remaining stitches. If you want a puffy hat, you can add some polyfill, and alternatively, you can use any scrap yarn to fill. Continue to join and I'll meet you at the curve. I am going to add fill in small quantities. Try to balance it out using your fingers. Other than turning your flat hat into a 3D hat, I have more cute design ideas you can use to upgrade your hat to make a beautiful handmade gift. I'll be uploading that video very soon. To finish off, chain 1, leave a long tail, cut the yarn, then pull through and tighten. I'll show you how to close these gaps using a yarn needle. Attach the key ring if you have one and secure it in place. this is the final look. Please like this video and subscribe for more easy crochet projects and beginner tips. Thank you for watching.